Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today we're going to do a quick box opening of my December watchgang black membership watch. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing that Spinnaker Croft that I received. I love this thing. I have hardly taken this one off my wrist, so stay tuned for a follow-up on that. As far as I know, the promo code watchin20 still works with Spinnaker. I don't know how much longer that is going to work, but I'll link to that below and put the promo code below as well. So this is my watchgang black membership watch for December 2018. One thing that I was a little disappointed with is on the label itself, it kind of gave it away. So I'm guessing I've got a Heritor. That bummed me out a little bit. I wish they wouldn't have put, even though it's not a full thing, I wish they wouldn't have put the that on there, because it just kind of gave the surprise away. And you guys know me, I definitely like the surprise, but I'm not sure which model Heritor I got. So let's open this up and take a quick look. Also, guys, stay tuned. I should be doing a giveaway video a little bit later today. It'll be the first video just showing off the watches that are going to be given away. There's actually going to be 2 watches. All right, so we've got there. Wow, looks like we've got all kinds of coupons for December. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Definitely worth checking out to see if I want to sign up for any of the other tier levels again. Let's open this one up. So we got a Heritor HR7613 is the model number. And so I can't remember the exact name of this one, but if you guys remember, I have one of these on that's black with a leather strap instead of the stainless bracelet. I was gonna say this one's super wrapped up, so I don't know if I'll pull it all apart. Heritor automatic. I like the dial, I like the orange. Be interesting to find out exactly what this is. I'm pretty sure that's a NH35 Seiko movement. Yeah, you can see there, NH35A. Not too bad. I actually like this on the stainless bracelet more than the one I have on the leather. I will do my usual, wear this one a little bit, and find out all the details on it and do a follow-up video. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.